worried about your future, lost your job, don't know how to tackle it, how to handle it. So what you need to understand first of all is what job you are in. Understand your age, your finances, your past commitments, your expertise, and then accept the truth, the reality that you are now out of this job. Since you are out of this job, you need to hunt for a new job. What are the things that you must keep in mind? The first important thing is think about diversifying your skills. Let's say so far you have been doing the work only for data entry, probably with more of innovation, with more of mechanization, more of computerization. That work has been replaced through artificial intelligence, and therefore the jobs in the field of, let's say, data entry are reducing. Now you need to build on your skill set. So don't be just thinking about the fact that you are not with a job. Don't go into that grief, don't go into that shock, don't be depressed. Try to build on what you have been so far. Understand your age. Once you understand your age, you can assume the forthcoming opportunities. Also, try to focus on your finance. So, whether you are in acute dire need of the job right now, or you can spend, let's say, 2 months without a job and look for a decent job. So, give yourself a gap based on your immediate requirements. Now, that would definitely vary from individual to individual and your personal circumstances. But what is very important is start building on your skills. Build on your skills, try to focus on how you can diversify, what are the things that you can incorporate, and so far you were not aware about it. Try to build a network and also remove this feeling of self-defeating behavior from yourself. Don't think that losing a job, everything is lost. That's not the case. Your life is too long to go. So be positive. Think that this was just a milestone. I learned so many things from the company I was in. And be positive. Start thinking about the new avenues that you can explore, the new dimensions that you can work on. Also, look back and see your past records. Seeing your past records, you would understand how you can pace yourself, how you can grow yourself. And finally, give yourself some time to relax. All negativity should be drained out. Take time for yourself. Some other important things to keep in mind while you have lost your job is keep your budget in mind. Cut down on the unnecessary extra expenses. Make savings an important part of yourself, and also make sure that you have a saving corpus ahead for at least 6 months to go. In case you have loans or EMI, keep that corpus for at least a year to go. Only in extreme case, think about liquidating the assets that you have. But right now, it would be a good point to stop onto investments and try to build on your skills. Even if you want to invest only on your skills based on your financial condition at present, but maintain your self-esteem. Try to build on networking, try to find connections, develop various avenues, and see how you could utilize your creativity interdisciplinary across various dimensions and aspects. So make sure you are in a positive go, and also don't sit and think back that the company was bad, the manager was not good, because those things cannot help you grow in your future. What can help you grow in your future is being positive, thinking about your accomplishments, and building back onto it. So try to build on top of the existing building. Wish you very good luck. In case you feel that you need a personal mentoring or a personal guidance, definitely feel free to connect back to us. We'll be more than happy to have you. Thank you.